Our company is part of the Kurovsk Drug Manufacturing Holding Company. Our company has a variety of equipment for the production of medicines, from a peltizer to an automatic self-adhesive labeling line. At the end of the year we modernized, and began replacing the equipment that was morally and technically obsolete. I have been working as a chief engineer for 15 years, and I know all the technological processes in the company very well. I chose new equipment to replace the technically unsuitable one myself, coordinating it with the management before purchase. It was not an easy job. There is a lot of equipment on the market. Many processes have changed and become automated. In pharmaceutical production it is very important to control the quality of raw materials and finished drugs. Plans for modernization included the purchase of a blistering machine, which is used for automatic formation of cellular packaging from PVC roll material. The machine automatically fills the cells with gelatin capsules. After the cells are filled, the equipment seals the surface of the blisters with aluminum foil. The main effect on the capsule shell is moisture. Being in the individual cell of the blister, the gelatin capsule is protected as much as possible. The machine we had was constantly being repaired, and did not provide the necessary performance and sealing of the capsules. Since I had already selected many different machines for our facility, I had a lot of experience in selecting, and remained in contact with some reliable equipment manufacturers. I started contacting the manufacturers by telephone to find out whether they could produce a cartoning machine for packaging PVC blisters into cardboard boxes. I specified automatic control, quality stainless steel equipment material, and a capacity of 8,000 blisters per hour as my main criteria. At first I contacted a company in Germany, which offered me automatic equipment for packaging capsules into aluminium blisters, but they specified that the whole delivery, customs clearance and installation of the equipment was not included in the price. Delivery could have been delayed and I declined. Then I contacted the company from Russia. I searched on the internet for an intermediary from Russia, because I once had a bad experience delivering equipment from a Chinese intermediary, when they brought us a line for packaging powder, but there were no documents for installation or technical passport. It took us a long time to set up the line. We consulted with the manufacturers on the phone, although they were reluctant to talk to us. I chose 3 vendors online. I looked at the firm's time in the pharmaceutical supply market, the company's website, and the machine's delivery terms as criteria. All the companies I called to make sure of the professionalism of their managers. A specialist from one company said to wait for 5 minutes, but she never listened to me. I didn't like such attitude to the customer. The manager of another company from Kaliningrad talked to me politely, asked questions about the necessary performance equipment, the desired production time. 5 days later I received from them in the mail 10 variants of various blister machines, and an offer to make a choice on their own. I realized that they have no professional approach, and will not help me in my search for equipment. The last, third intermediary option turned out to be a good one for me. The male manager talked to me like a professional. He asked me specific questions about the desired productivity of the machine, told me about the terms of delivery. He suggested an automatic machine for packing PVC blisters into cardboard boxes, which I was able to quickly negotiate with the company management. The machine was acceptable in characteristics and price. Within a week we concluded a contract for the supply of equipment. A month after the contract was signed, we received the automatic equipment for packing PVC blisters into cardboard boxes. The manager provided us with the manufacturer's guarantee, technical passport of the equipment, drawings and operation manual. We set up the machine. Special devices held the PVC blisters until the piece-by-piece feeding on the conveyor. Operation process of the equipment is controlled by the LCD screen system. I am sure that he will pick up high-quality equipment for me. Experience has shown that no matter how confident you are in your abilities, consulting a professional will speed up the solution of the task at hand, and free up time, which can be spent to your advantage.